Today I will show you how to change color silver to golden color. First, select the layer and go to Select and select Subjects. After select the subject, please go to Layer Select on New and click the layer via Copy. Or you can use shortcut on Window by Ctrl-J or in macOS Command-J. After the layer via Copy, please go to Image and click on Adjustment and find the word Desaturate. And next, please go to Create a new adjustment layer gradient map and click Clip to the layer. And select the gradient and click the location 50%. And select the color to R is 250 and G is 204 and B is 34. After select the white color to R is 155 and G is 114 and B is 0.
My head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating.
And change the layer to color burn.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away like a card never changes.
After this, create a new adjustment layer exposure and click Clip to the layer.
Time to stand strong.
And change exposure to +17 and gamma 113.
Time to stay strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
You need to add more new adjustment layer of color balance to add more realistic color. So on this layer, please change to midtone and cyan is +12, magenta +12 too. And the last one, yellow, is -12.
Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap.
So here is the result.
It's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough.
Thanks for watching.